We'll guide you through how to fix apps automatically closing on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really inconvenient and annoying problem because you're using an app and suddenly it goes and closes. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's full guide and you don't go and skip anything. And hopefully by the end, we're going to have your problem resolved. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. First of all, what we're going to try doing is you want to go and open up the Play Store. In the Play Store, you want to go and head to the top right where your profile icon is and tap there. Go down and you want to press Manage Apps and Devices. Go and press Updates. What you want to do is you can just update the specific app if you're finding it's happening with one, or just do all of them. It's a good idea too. If you're using an outdated version of the app, that can be why, because there's a new update which potentially solves that problem. So make sure it's up to date, that's super key. Next, you want to go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't though, go and swipe up to go and open up the app pages and come to your settings. I recommend you make sure your device is up to date because an outdated system could cause this as well. So you can scroll down and find software update, tap here. You can press download and install and it will go and check for updates. If there's one available, we can then go and do it. After updating the device, see if it solves. If it still hasn't, what you want to do next is come back to your settings. So you'll be at the top here, scroll down and you want to find the option for apps and tap there. And then what you want to do is you want to come and find the app this is happening with. Go and tap on it. Then what you need to do in here is scroll down to storage. What you can try doing is clearing the cache. So go and tap there, then go and see if it goes and keeps closing. If it still does, it's worth going and clearing data. So this will go and delete a bit more things here, but it's worth doing if it can go and solve the problem. So if it still doesn't, then what I recommend you do is you go and perform a device restart, just in case there's a problem with the phone software. So tap and hold the side button and you can find the option for restart, tap there and then tap it to confirm your decision. When it comes back on, test it and hopefully the problem will be solved.